Welcome back, guys. We are here with another video in our Google Search Console series. Whenever Google releases a new Search Console update, you will always be worried about whether your website is going to be hit by these updates or if you're going to benefit from them. So, most business owners are concerned that their websites are going to be affected by these updates and lose traffic or lose impressions. We are here to show you how not to lose any traffic or lose any of your impressions from your target audience. In this video, we are going to discuss all of these strategies. So, our first tip is whenever you get hit by a Google update, there will be a sudden traffic or impression drop on your Search Console or your Google Analytics dashboard. Here, for an example, we can look in August 2025. You see down here, Google released an update, and because of that update, our website got hit and it dropped a little bit, as you can see here. But as you can see on the graph, impressions were going up. And then in August, when the update was released, we dropped, and it took about 28 days to get back up to where we were before. In the middle of that period, the website also got hit. Here you can see in the graph that these impressions were going up, but in August, Google released an update which took around 28 days to complete. In the middle of that period, our website got hit and the impressions went down. So, the first thing to do whenever you get hit by a Google update, there will be a sudden traffic or impression drop in your Search Console. So that's where you should start heading to take a look. Recently, in August 2025, Google released an update. In the middle of that period, the website got hit by the update, so their impressions went down. As you can see, it went from about 4,300 here to 5,500 and then all the way down to 2,000. Their impressions went down by 40 or 45%, and that's a big hit. No business owner wants to experience that. So this is how you check if your website has been impacted. The impressions went down here, but you can also look at the clicks to see the results there as well. What happens sometimes is that suppose you have 1,000 pages on your website, 900 pages got saved, but maybe 100 pages got penalized by this new update. That's why you'll see a drop in traffic on your website. And in some cases, Google may penalize your whole website. So it's always good to stay up to date with Google updates. So in that case, you will need to come over here and navigate the button called Manual Actions. And then you need to check both of the buttons, Manual Action and Security Issues. We have no manual actions here and no security issues. So we are all good. But if Google has penalized your website, then you will see notifications here and they will let you know which pages are having the issues. So thanks for listening to this video, guys. We hope that this could help you see if your website has been penalized or not. If you have any more questions, feel free to drop them in the comment box down below. We hope this video helped you a lot, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, guys. Bye!